Cherry. So what's the difference with them? Pardon?
Different flavors.
Ah, let me have a some of this a little bit, yeah.
Why if that one balls in juice? Come on, man.
What size cup would you like? Smaller, medium?
Extra hard.
Okay, how about
I know, give me some more cup. What flavor you have?
strawberry daiquiri, mango?
Alright, let me have strawberry daiquiri, some strawberry daiquiri there.
Have rum in it, here.
Pardon?
Some rum. Rum in it.
Rum in there? Yeah man, give me a cup. Next cup.
Chocolate.
Uh-huh.
This.
And sorbet.
And the strawberry, I know what that's strawberry.
Strawberry? Okay, it's kind of good for you.
Oh, we can't take rum and use
That.
This one?
Alright.
Huh?
You have the can see. I'm black with everything.
Alright. What else we see more here? Oh, you have more something. So, oh, sour milk. Yeah, sour milk.
What is this? I'm confused.
What's that in the one? What are these?
What are these?
Okay, yeah, sure. Huh?
What?
Alright, let me see. You have cherry. That one. Bobas. Cherry. So what's the difference with them? Pardon?
Different flavors.
Ah, let me have a some of this a little bit, yeah.
Why if that one balls in juice? How's that? I never know. M&M and the chocolate something sprinkle. That we have go for. I mind that man. That is a man. Yeah, so I take the M&M and
Wait, is that mine or yours?
info.
I chose half chocolate, half pistachio.
And the chocolate sprinkles. Yeah. No, and this. Yeah. Yeah. I pour it down. I don't know what in it. Because imagine if they take a large cup. Probably the large cup would have cost the whole of them. Large man. Alright, try to get the perfect right here. I don't know how I go on, but check, hold on. I don't know. Too much. Let me try this. So, I know. Hold on. Here come. Yes, so I'm not too sure, but alright. I know that there's a vlog here not much, but I already know I go. Alright. We're in style. Alright. By the way. Alright. I know this vlog not much. Better nothing, is it? Don't know your boy King Camo never disappoints. On next video. I'll tell them. Hey, you see if you vex say you never get none of the Tutti Frutti era. Next time. Alright, next time. Yeah man, next time. More videos soon come. Hey, listen me, hey. You never tell them what King Camo. Like, subscribe, comment and share a long time when I say, but you don't know at night right now when the police come for me. See, come here, move, you see. Walk that, go do that.
you.